Morning guys, Richard here from the Leather Repair Company. So let's talk about wrong, misleading information and YouTube sensations. So it's very frustrating. We get this quite regularly from people where they're like, but so-and-so told me about this. He's this huge internet sensation and he's trusted. The thing is, he or she, in some of these circumstances, aren't actual people that do work day in, day out. They are people that review products that think they know what they're talking about. Yes, this may be very controversial, but the thing is, these people are damaging their businesses, and they would rather listen to this internet sensation than they would listen to an industry-leading expert. Not only have you got people like ourselves out there, you've got other competitors like Furniture Clinic, Colour Lock, and so on and so forth that are out there giving out masses of information that's there to help you gain the best advice. But because you think that we are here just to sell a product, you think you won't listen to us. Yet the internet sensation is here to sell his YouTube channel and get money from YouTube, as well as the sponsors that sponsor him or her. So most of these people are just reviewing a product, telling you how good it is, telling you how they use it, telling you what's safe. Things like magic erasers are safe to use on leather, APC is safe to use on leather, steam cleaning leather is safe. None of those things are safe to use on leather. You wouldn't use something that wasn't safe on paintwork, so why would you do it on the interior? Just because somebody has told you it is safe, but yet you don't listen to industry experts. This is damaging your reputation, it is damaging your business, and it is damaging your client's property. For your business to be very, very successful, you need to start to take advice, go to proper training, get industry people to train you professionally. There's thousands of people around the world that can help train you properly within an industry to make sure that you are giving the correct sound advice that is factual advice, that is clear and precise. Obviously, I will say not all YouTubers' sensations are wrong. There's just some of them that don't actually do this work that are becoming sensations or are sensations. And we had this just the other day where somebody was going on about, oh, I take his sound advice, blah, 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 blah. And this guy is there steam cleaning leather and people believe him, and he's there using APC on leather and magic erasers on leather. You can't do that. Magic Eraser is an abrasive product that is designed to remove the surface of something. It's basically like a piece of sandpaper. You're sanding away the surface. Everybody, that sort of uses them, they're like, yeah, but it got rid of the stain. That's because it's taken all the clear coat away and someone paint with it. That's what people don't understand. With leather, you have a coating on the surface of the leather itself. That coating is on average around 20 20 microns thick. The lacquer that goes on the top of there is around 5 microns thick on average, at a maximum of 20 microns. The average sheet of 100 grams of paper is around about 100 microns. That puts it into perspective for you how thin the paint and the lacquer is on your car interior. You will spend thousands on the exterior of a vehicle for a client, yet clients won't have you touch the interiors. Why will they not have you touch the interiors? Because people believe that modern leather doesn't need to be protected. Do you know what? Actual facts are modern leather needs more protecting than leather from the 80s, where it was open pore and no lacquer on the coating on the actual paint itself. It is actually easier to maintain that than it is modern leather. Modern leather needs more maintenance than older leather does. Whereas older leather, you can physically feed it, whereas today, you've got to protect the coating on the surface. Things like ceramics, again, are clogging up what sort of 1% breathability you've got on leather, ruining the leather, drying it out, accelerating cracking, accelerating wear. And again, just from the nature of ceramics, they seal the surface. So that tells you something. They seal the surface. People that start using magic erasers, APCs, steam cleaning leather, they all clean leather, yes, admittedly, but it's the damage that they're doing. And the thing is, people will listen to others that are very well known. Oh, he's or she's very, very popular. She must be right. Sorry, I'm not going to listen to you because you're wrong. And the thing is, that is the worst advice that you could listen to. You need to speak to people that are dedicated in an industry that knows stuff about the makeup, the chemicals, the chemical makeup of the actual material that you're dealing with, people that live and breathe an industry day in, day out, rather than listening to YouTube sensations or people that you think are right and then shun those that are right because you don't know them. And I see this happening all the time. We get it happen all the time, and I see it with other people all the time. They're like, I don't believe you because I don't know you. Just because you don't know them, you don't have to believe them. Do your research and get out there and do the research. Stop harming your company, stop harming your brand, get the training that you need, get the correct advice that you need, and listen to people that actually know what they're talking about rather than those that don't, that do it just to earn a buck or two from a YouTube channel that just review products. These people are just reviewers. They don't actually do this day in, day out. You need people that live it, breathe it, work it, do it day in, day out to help your business grow, survive, and succeed. And it's time you stepped up the game. We're all in this together to win. We're all here to help each other grow, elevate, and become better companies, better people with better advice and better knowledge. At the end of the day, knowledge is power. The more knowledge you gain, the better it is. We have a website called prorestorers.co.uk. Go on there, look at it. It is full of information to help you understand about vehicle interiors, how to repair them, not just vehicle interiors, but anything from shoes to jackets to walls to floors, anything, handrails on staircases, classic cars, vintage cars, old, horse and carts. It's got anything and everything on there about how it's made, how you care for it, how you protect it, how you maintain it, how you repair it. It's got everything. This information is a huge portal of success out there for people to gain this knowledge and information. You maybe think I'm an absolute utter arse for saying what I've said, but the thing is, it is reality. Some people, these YouTubers, you need to stop listening to some of them. They are not giving you sound quality advice. You need to listen to people that are good at what they do, that do give sound quality advice, that do know what they're talking about. There are a lot of YouTubers out there that are very, very good at that, and a lot of people that have dedicated websites that are very, very good at that. There are also people like us that are very, very good at that as well as our competitors. Like we've mentioned, Colour Lock and Furniture Clinic. These guys, we are all industry leaders at our own levels, and we are all there to help you, to supply you with information and help and guidance with everything that you do and want to achieve in life, with interiors. No matter whether it's an interior in a vehicle or an interior in a home or a boat, plane, train, bus, whatever it is, we're there to help with anything to do with leather and how to care and how to maintain it, protect it and preserve it. It's not all about selling products, it's about knowledge, giving you the correct knowledge so that you don't screw up on your clients' items and you get it right by listening. What you don't want to do is listen to wrong advice with people that are just giving you information and you're like, oh my God, they're absolutely amazing, they're wonderful people, I'm going to listen to them because they know what they're talking about. No, they don't in all cases. You need to speak to people that live and breathe an industry, like I've just given you 3 examples of us and 2 competitors of ours. Hope you enjoy what we've just said and you take it on board and you listen. If you need advice, hop on over to our website, leatherrepaircompany.com. We're here to help. I'm Richard at Leather Repair Company. You can get me on Facebook also. Cheers guys, thank you.